Hey everyone, how are you guys? Hope everyone doing fine. In this opportunity, we will explore how to import the data from external source like a Google Spreadsheet into Google Colab. In the previous video, we learned how to separate the data from the model using Sigma notation model. You can watch the previous video for more detail. Now, we will get the data or the parameters from a Google Spreadsheet. If you are solving big mathematical model like lot sizing problem or traveling salesman problem or its variance, it is easy to manage the data or do some data pre-processing on Google Spreadsheet and use it in Google Colab. We just need to import the data to Google Colab and run it with Gurobi solver. Without further ado, let's start this video. I will use the previous model in the previous video. As usual, first we need to install Gurobi by typing pip, install Gurobi Pi, and then import it. You can run it and wait until it finishes. Now it is installed and ready to use. In the previous model, we will have this data. We have a parameter C, parameter B, and parameters A. We type directly to the Google Colab and use this data, we run it. Right now, in this video, we will try to use Google Spreadsheet and then we import this data from Google Spreadsheet into this model. Okay, then in order to do that, we need to install a module called Gspread. The name is Gspread, so I will add some code here. Install Gspread pip, install upgrade gs. This is the model, and then we import the module into Google Colab. After that, we will try to get permission. Google Colab web import authentication. Here we try to get permission or authentication to get the data from the Google Spreadsheet. Google, good, import, and then after we got the permission, we have credential. We type like this, okay, and then we create a variable to save the credential. Authorize, and then credential. Okay, so we run it and then it will install Gspread and it will require some allow and some permission. You just continue, okay, and wait until it finish. And now it finished. We are successfully prepare our module needed to import the data from Google Spreadsheet. Now we will create a spreadsheet and fill the data with it. Okay, the data is like this. So I will open Google Spreadsheet, empty Google Spreadsheet, and then paste it. Okay, the data will be like this. Parameter C, like 800, 600. Then parameter B, 320, 200, 30, and 20. For parameter it is like a matrix, two-dimensional array, so we type it like this. Okay, so we prepare the data something like this. Okay, and then don't forget to copy the link, and then we will pass it here. I will make another code. I will say like Google spreadsheet variable, and I will store the link over here. Okay, and then after that I will type I will open GC Google Spreadsheet, open by URL. So I will open by this link, this one, copy, something like this. Okay, then after I copy, I will select the sheet or the tab that we will try to get the data. So worksheet equal, for example, sh worksheet. So the name of the worksheet right now, the name is sheet number 1, yeah. So I will put it sheet 1. Okay. Okay. Then we finish to prepare. Right now we will get the data. Okay, so how to get the data? Let's try first. We type worksheet and then cell. We select the cell. Right now, if we want to get this one C, so the coordinate, the row is 5. The column is A means 1, yeah, 1 right now. So the coordinate is 5, 1. It refers to A5. Okay, and then value. So let's try to print it and see if we can get the right data. Okay, we have the right result, yeah, because we in the A5 the value is C. Okay, let's try another like B5. So if it's like B, it will be 2, yeah, the column. And then let's see if we get the right result, 800, and then this is the same, 800. Okay, so that's how it works. And right now we will try to get all the data. In order to get all the data, we will use variable C, right? Okay, first we need to specify is C is an array, and then C0, it means the first, it should be 800. So the first value of C is B5, right? Okay, so we'll copy here. Okay, this is B5. And then C number 1, it means that the second value of array C is C5, yeah. Copy C. C is 3, the column is 3. Okay, so if we try to check it whether we can have the same result as here, yeah, so we just print. Okay, 800, 600. Here, if after you import the data, the type is text. So if we want to convert it into integer, just type it integer and then integer. Okay, same goes to here. Okay, we run it and then 800. Yeah, this is integer and this is integer. We can also type it like this. Since we have the number of variable, I will move it like this, the parameter n and parameter m. We can make enumeration. We can make a repetition, looping, yeah. For example, for I in range n is 2, yeah. We can copy over here, make it like this. The 0 will replace by I, and then because I plus 2. Okay, let's see. I will try to close this one first, and then we have the same result, 800 and 600. This is a little more efficient, so I will delete it. The same if we want to get the data for parameters b, right? 320, 230 and 20. So first we make a value b as an array, and then use looping for j in range, because we have 4, yeah. 4 means the number of constraints, so it is variable m, and then b, and the index is j, equal to integer worksheet and cell. Right now, because the variable b is in the row 6, right? So I will change it, not row 5 but row 6, and then j, because this is the index, and then plus 2. Okay, and then I will print b and see if it is the same. We have some kind of error. Oh, sorry, I will forget to add value. Let's run it. Yeah, we have the same data over here. The last, we will get the parameter a, yeah? For a equal to array first, and then since we have two-dimensional like this, so we will have two looping, two repetition. First repetition is I and then m. Just copy it, and then a right now, because we want to have b7, yeah, over here, b7 the data, so we should put integer. I will copy it over here, I and j. Okay, this is so 7, because 7 will be repeated, yeah, in the row, so we can add 7, 8, 9, 10, yeah. So I will try to put 7 plus the index j. Okay, and then for the column will be represent the number of variables, because it's 2, yeah. So the column is like this. Okay, and then we will try to print it, whether we can have the right result. As you can see over here, it's the same result. In order to prove it, we just run the model if we have the same result as the previous model. Okay, so we close it, and then we try to run it, whether we can have the same result. The result is 48,000, yeah, from the previous model. I will try to close the data and use this data. I will run it again. Okay, we have the same, and then we run it. Okay, I think we kind of missed, it should be j and I. We kind of like mix it up. So we run it, and then we run again over here. Okay. This one. Okay. The way I write down, because it is like a different array, I should choose it like this, different like this. So we have the same result, 48,000. Right now we have the same result, and now you can import any data from Google Spreadsheet and solve it using Gurobi. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it can help you. If you feel this video helpful, don't forget to like, make a comment, and subscribe. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.